Hello folks, today we are gonna make a very tasty drink, mint margarita. It's got a real easy recipe. All we need is to just share this with you. It's a real popular drink in Pakistan, especially Lahore at the restaurants. It's pretty expensive, but if you guys can make it at home, it's pretty cheap. All you need to do is just get a few ingredients. As you could see in the video, we have mint leaves that are thoroughly washed, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of black salt. Black salt you could buy at any of the Pakistani grocery stores. Also, we would need 1 glass of ice, the big ice cubes, 1 or 1 to 2, and then 1 glass of water. At the end, we're gonna add a soft drink. It could be 2 cans of 7-Up, Sprite, Sierra Mist, or just soda water. So we're just gonna get started with it. So as stated before, now I'm gonna be adding all these ingredients. This is 1 teaspoon of black salt. This is almost 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The mint leaves as in this container. Then gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. That would be like 2 tablespoons. And this is 1 glass of water. We're just gonna pour this much ice. Actually, 1 cup should be fine. 1 glass, or if you wanna go for the bigger serving, then you could add more. Okay. So now we're just gonna close this lid and going to get this started. Okay, I think this should be enough. All we need to do is open this up. We've got these 2 cans of Sprite. You could do regular diet, as I said, even soda water is okay. All we're gonna do is just gonna pour this into this paste mixture. Actually, I'm just gonna do 1 at a time. And blend it again. And the last one, I'm just gonna pour it and mix this with a spoon because I do wanna have the fizziness. I don't want that to disappear. So just gonna mix this. So the drink is ready, and now it's ready to be served. That's it. That's the mint margarita.